In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the Squarespace library quickly and easily. If you manage a Squarespace website, this is a useful feature because it helps you find and organize assets like images, videos, and files in one place. Whether you're updating your site, adding new content, or just trying to locate something you uploaded earlier, knowing where the asset library is can save you a lot of time. If this video helps, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard using your account details. Once you're signed in, open the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. After your website opens, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where Squarespace keeps most of the main navigation tools for your site. In the sidebar, click on Website. This section contains the settings and tools related to your site structure and content management. Once you click Website, scroll down through the menu until you see Asset Library. This is the area where Squarespace stores your uploaded assets so you can reuse them across your site. When you click on Asset Library, it will open and show you the files already available in your account. From here, you can browse your uploaded items, find media you want to use again, or manage the assets connected to your site. If you were looking for a specific image or file, this is the place to check first. And that's it. You now know how to access the Squarespace library in just a few clicks. It's a simple process, but once you know where to look, it becomes much easier to manage your website content efficiently. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.